Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Thursday, 26th of April. So let's get on, look at the euro dollar first. And well, of course, for the euro today, we've got the interest rate decision, the ECB meeting, with obviously the press conference for Draghi speaking at 1:30. So I expect some volatility. We've seen sort of sell off pretty soundly yesterday. It's retracing again at the moment, but how far it will go, we'll see. One thing for sure is it could well get a bit choppy because the people are unsure what's going to happen next. Although the direction certainly is to the downside, I would have liked to have normally been shorting towards this daily pivot with the pattern that we're seeing here, but we'll have to wait and see. It hasn't yet got down to some areas I thought it might have got down to, that monthly S1. So there is some possibilities, but come Draghi's speech and it could go all over the shop. So we'll see. But for now, chopping along there. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. No significant news for the pound today. Pound again sold off again yesterday, selling off. What we got here, 4 hourly wise, almost looking like it was trying to diverge on that 4 hourly basis, but again, well, it's just short at the moment of the daily pivot. And again, in the pattern that we're seeing here, I do wonder if we'll see a sort of a rollover again, but maybe just be a bit patient here, waiting for potential points at this level here to sell off in past. See if we can get a breakdown from here, but at the moment it looks like it's on for its daily pivot. If it starts pushing upwards, well, a break of that 50 might see it head up towards its R1, maybe even yesterday's highs then back into that pivot. We'll see, but I still remain relatively bearish on these European currencies. Dollar yen. Dollar yen, well, again, still relatively bullish on this because I'm dollar bullish, so there's no surprise to see. We expect more further upside here. It's at the moment it's had quite a steep buying pattern. It's not diverged on this 4 hourly pattern, on this 4 hourly chart here. It may be due a bit of a correction, and a pull back towards that 4 hourly 21 may offer something of interest. Sorry, I just realised this is not fully out there. Maybe yeah. I mean, I'm really looking for further upside on here, so it really, even before that, we may see a move back to that 60.50. Some of that region may offer an opportunity for getting into the long side there. So we'll see how it moves, but it's certainly still looking bullish on that dollar yen at the moment. Aussie dollar. Continuation yesterday of the downside. As I said at the beginning of the week, this is the one of the weakest pairings at the moment, and particularly with so much retail bullish sentiment, I think we could just see some more selling at the moment, and it's really selling into the retracements. But again, here at the moment, it'd be the easiest place actually would be to sell on the break of the lows, ironically. So if we was looking at this, but it's more, the trouble is I see it the way it's moving at the moment intraday. It's more something that you're going to be holding for a few days, as opposed to something you expect anything to happen too quickly with it. But certainly got the potential to roll over and continue rolling at the moment. And finally, the Canadian dollar. Well, Canadian dollar struggling a little bit here, with oil prices being as pitchy as they are. It was a bit of a surprise it did soften quite so much, but the fundamentals for the country aren't that good, so it's probably no great surprise to see it pushing up. I'm still wondering whether it will get back to that monthly pivot. It was getting close to it yesterday. But a bit of a retracement at the moment. It'll be interesting watching for any correction off these bigger time moving averages. 4-hourly 21,200 there may provide a bit of support, and just need to see some sort of reversal signs. But overall, still bullish on it. But on the dollar, so that's the dollar CAD, still bullish on it. No significant news that should affect it today. So we'll see how it sets up throughout the morning. Okay, that's pretty much it. News then, as I said, it's just really the ECB data coming out today. There is some core durable goods at 130 as well, so you may get a bit of volatility just kicking around that straight on 130. But the real action comes at when Draghi gets fully into speech. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.